Using Temu gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to shop conveniently. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card effectively. Step 1. Create or log into your Temu account. Visit the Temu website or open the app. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the necessary information. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials. Step 2. Browse and select items. Once logged in, browse through the available products. Add the items you wish to purchase to your shopping cart by clicking on the Add to Cart button. Step 3. Proceed to checkout. After selecting your items, go to your shopping cart. Review your selections and click on the checkout button to proceed to the payment page. Step 4. Enter gift card information. On the payment page, look for the option to enter gift card code. Input your Temu gift card code in the designated field and click Apply to redeem the balance. Step 5. Complete your purchase. After applying the gift card, ensure that the total reflects the discount. Choose your preferred payment method for any remaining balance, if applicable, and finalize your order by clicking the Place Order button. Now you are ready to enjoy your shopping experience with Temu gift cards. Happy shopping!